we will have a detailed discussion about H1B, and today is the part one. Today we will talk about like the very basic overview of H1B, what are the main categories, and also some important things. And in our next video, not today, in another day, we will talk about how to continue H1B visa, how to renew H1B visa even after 6 years. A lot of people, they need even after 6 years. So we'll talk about those in another day. So today we will only focus on like a basic understanding of H1B visa. So today we will talk about four major things about H1B. The first one is H1B for the for-profit corporation. So those who know about H1B, that in American, H1B visa is broadly categorized in two different categories. Number one, H1B for for-profit corporations, and H1B for non-profit corporations. So for-profit corporations, every year U.S. government issues only 85,000 visa, and usually every year like a 200,000, 300,000, and sometimes even more application is submitted to get these 85,000 visas. That's why there's a lottery system, and only lucky winners in that lottery system will be able to apply for H1B visa and get H1B visa. So every year, in the beginning of March, usually it's like a 17 days, 18 days, 20 days, from March 1 to let's say March 20, there's a application period for this lottery. And around end of March and beginning of April, USCIS do this draw this lottery, and they declare the winners. So they initially identify 85,000 winners, and they notify them through email and physical mail that, hey, congratulations, you have win the lottery for H1B visa. And if they do not find qualified 85,000 workers, then they will do another lottery around end of the session. So initially the lottery is from March 1 to March 17. So this year is March 1 to March 17. So this is the period where people can actually apply for H1B visa. And a lot of people, they ask me question, can I apply by myself? The answer is no, you cannot apply by yourself. You have to apply through an employer. A US employer must apply for you. A candidate cannot apply by himself or herself. So as I said, for for-profit corporation, there's a lottery, there's a 85,000 quota, and the lottery is usually in the March. Once you win the lottery, then you go to the second step, which is form I-129. I-129 is a little complex form. I'm not going that detail. So you need to submit, fill up the I-129 form, submit it to USCIS, and get it approved. Those who are applying from a foreign country like Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, or other countries, even when your I-129 form is approved, that doesn't mean you can come to America automatically. You need to apply for a non-immigrant H1B visa in your local US embassy. So those who are already in America, you have two steps: first lottery, and then I-129. Those who are living in a foreign country, you have three steps: first lottery, then I-129, and then non-immigrant visa application, which is called DS-160. So this is the system for for-profit corporation. Let me talk about non-profit corporations. For non-profit corporations, there is no quota. That's why there is no lottery. Companies can directly apply for you at any time in the year, and they can get it approved anytime in the year. However, not all non-profit corporations are eligible for these cap exempt H1B applications. There are only two kinds of non-profit organizations. They can use this great tool, great benefit. Number one, research organizations. Those non-profit organizations who do research can only get benefit from this cap exempt H1B application. Also, if there is any non-profit organizations who are affiliated with a university, they can also get benefit of this non-exempt H1B application. So remember these two things. Number one, research organization. Number two, non-profit organizations affiliated with a university. They can only get benefit from this cap exempt. And this is a great tool. A lot of students, a lot of researchers, they like this thing. Next topic is concurrent H1B. So a lot of people, they don't know about this thing. This is a very good opportunity for those who already have a H1B visa approved. So let's say you are working for a corporation named ABC Corporation under H1B visa, and you have a similar kind of job from another corporation, let's say XYZ Corporation, and you can apply for another H1B application under XYZ corporation, it should be a concurrent H1B. So you can actually do two jobs at the same time. If the both of the jobs are within the same scope of your education, then you can do it. Usually people do like the first H1B is a full-time job and the second one is a part-time job. They can do that, and it is called concurrent H1B. So the last topic is H1B transfer. So let's say you're working for a corporation named ABC Corporation, and either you're going to leave this job or you're getting fired or something. You can transfer your H1B to another corporation within 60 days. If you cannot transfer within 60 days, then your H1B will be void, your H1B will be cancelled. You have to transfer within 60 days of leaving a previous job. So this is like a short description in a short presentation on H1B. Next week we will talk about part 2 of H1B application, and right now we're going for a regular question answer about H1B or any other topic.